For comprehensive mechanical services in Las Vegas, Nevada, Honest HVAC is your reliable contractor. Specializing in heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and more, we offer expert solutions for residential and commercial properties. Our skilled technicians deliver professional installations, repairs, and maintenance, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency of your mechanical systems. With a commitment to honesty and transparency, we provide clear communication and upfront pricing for every project. Trust Honest HVAC as your go-to mechanical contractor in Las Vegas, Nevada, where integrity and professionalism are paramount. Experience top-notch service and peace of mind. Choose Honest HVAC for all your mechanical needs. Contact us today at Honest HVAC to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a mechanical contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Honest HVAC. How can I request a quote for mechanical contractor services from Honest HVAC in Las Vegas? To request a quote for mechanical contractor services from Honest HVAC in Las Vegas, simply contact us, and our team will provide you with a personalized quote. Can I trust Honest HVAC to handle mechanical projects safely and efficiently in Las Vegas? Absolutely. Honest HVAC prioritizes safety and efficiency on all mechanical projects in Las Vegas. What is your mechanical contractor Las Vegas for Las Vegas, Nevada? Our local mechanical contractor have served clients in the surrounding areas of Las Vegas, Spring Valley, Winchester, Downtown South, Summerlin, Henderson, Reno, North Las Vegas, Paradise, Sunrise Manor, Enterprise, Sparks, Carson City, Whitney, Pahrump, Sun Valley, Charleston, Green Valley North, Nevada. Where is your Honest HVAC office located? We are located at A100,9205 West Russell Road Building 3, Suite 130, Las Vegas, Nevada 89148, United States. Our phone number is 725-444-7247. Visit our website, https://honestthecompany.com/west-russell-spring-folly-installation-repair.